Hello, class. Welcome to Module 10. This week, we are talking about the importance of blogging, how that impacts our business, and our main goal of doing social media the right way. Blogs are certainly beneficial to businesses. Your businesses that manage and host blog pages will generally see a 67% increase in leads and a 97% increase in links. Essentially, your blogs will drive quality traffic to your website. They'll help with SEO and they'll also help to establish authority for your brand. In general, your traffic or most of your traffic will come from paid ads, SEO, and of course from your social media channels. When we talk about SEO, that is your search engine optimization, we have to talk about link building, right? How do we get other websites to link back to your websites, right? So essentially, you'll use what we call keywords to get this done. Link building is critical to SEO because it helps the search engine to rank your business. But before you can do that, you must first know who your audience is, set the tone, and have a plan. It starts with your content marketing plan. So, what are you going to put on your blog, and when will you put the content on your blog? Essentially, blogging is a part of what we call the content marketing mix. Now, the content marketing mix can be described as the right blend of different content types: blogging, videos, case studies, etc. When running blogs or managing blogs, you should ensure that it is entertaining. Now, to achieve this, you want to have high emotion because this leads to high awareness. Your blog should also be inspiring. The fact is, you want to increase sales, so you want to ensure that it is interesting and inspiring. In addition to entertainment and inspiring, your blog should also be focused on educating those who read it, right? So you want to provide very, very rational content to increase awareness among your target audience. Further, your blogs must be convincing. So, very rational content. If you're looking at product features, you're doing demos, and so forth, you want to ensure that you're providing factual information. Now, all the content creation you're doing, it will all come back to your blog because this is a central hub for your content marketing mix. Let's talk about the editorial calendar. Now that you know your content strategy, you must now turn your attention to when and where you will be posting or sharing your content. So you must know what is a reasonable schedule for you or your company. Essentially, when or where will you post commentary, video, screenshots, images, user generated content, right? So these are the kinds of stuff that you'll need to be thinking about as you create your editorial calendar. The key thing to remember when creating your editorial calendar is that you need to plan in advance, right? So you need to decide how it is that you're going to structure the calendar. Is it going to be bi-weekly, every month, or quarterly? You need to decide that. You also need to think about whether you'll be offering discounts, coupons, and work those into the content that you'll be creating. Be sure also to reflect on seasonal changes, right? So your Q4 calendar might look very different from your Q1 calendar. So these are just some things to remember as you create the calendar. It is also important to think about who is writing on your blogs, right? So this individual or these individuals must understand your brand. They must know the brand inside and outside. They must write really, really, really well. They must be able to engage. They must be focused. They must have the basic understanding of SEO, and they must also understand public relations. Here are a few things that you want to check off before you begin working on your blog. 1. Identify the audience for your blog. 2. Establish how you will measure the success of your blog, right? You want to ensure that you know the appropriate keywords. You want to do those searches prior. Be prepared, right, with supporting content, discounts, offers. You want to prepare those. Figure out who will blog and what tone you will have for your blog. Is it a humorous blog? Are you using sarcasm? Is it a serious tone? Is it a friendly tone? Set up a category structure and also set up the editorial calendar.